Hey y'all, Keeney coming to you with another pro tip of the day. So we've got an '03 Ram in the garage this afternoon, and this is how you can stop making such a big mess when you're refilling your coolant systems. So I don't know what type of tool that you use when you're refilling systems, if you use any at all. I've got this external reservoir that just screws onto wherever the fill point is on the coolant system. Regardless of what you're doing, you will know, if you've done this before, that as you pour liquid in, air bubbles in the system come up and out. And when the air bubbles come up through the liquid that is in whatever reservoir you're using, that bubble will come up, break the surface tension, and create a cavity on that surface of the liquid. And then when that cavity crashes together with all the other fluid flowing in, when that air bubble burps, we get that nice little splash of coolant that goes everywhere. So to avoid that big splash that comes from normal filling, if you just take your normal plug tool that comes with this style of kit and you just turn it right upside down and throw it in there, it will pre-break the surface tension of that liquid. So when you get an air bubble that works its way up, it will travel, the bubble will actually travel towards this rod and break the tension along the rod that you've thrown in there, instead of creating a cavity where it then re-rushes in on itself. So, pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but it dramatically reduces the mess that is made when you fill this thing all the way up to the top like we all do. That's all I got for you today. Catch y'all on the next one.